Hey guys, if your Windows 11 PC is acting slow or showing errors, corrupted system files should be the cause. And in this video, I will show you how to fix them quickly. First, press Windows plus S, type CMD, then right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. In the command window, type SFC/scannow and press Enter. This will scan all protected system files and replace corrupted ones automatically. Wait until the scan that reaches 100%, which may take several minutes depending on your system. If the scan finds and repairs files, restart your PC before continuing. If the problem persists, open Command Prompt as Administrator. Again, type dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health and press Enter. This command repairs the Windows image and fixes the power corruption that SFC can't handle. The process may take 10-20 minutes, so let it finish completely without interruption. After DISM finishes, restart your PC again and run SFC/scannow one more time to confirm all issues are fixed. If you want, you can also run Windows Update to make sure all system files are up to date and any remaining corruption is patched. After following these steps, your Windows 11 system files should be fully repaired and your PC should run smoothly. If this video helped you fix corrupted system files, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and I will see you in the next video.